From Victor Zammit, retired Supreme Court lawyer, expert in contract law. Degrees include a major in psychology, with an adjunct major, 3 years, in scientific method and statistics, from the University of New South Wales. Isn't Randi's challenge the biggest hoax in history? Why? Because according to the conditions he himself set up, James Randi states that in the final testing of the psychics, only he has the power to judge whether or not the applicant proved any aspect of the paranormal. He is being a judge in his own cause. He is making the offer, he drafted the conditions, he is the adjudicator, he is the judge, and he is the jury about an outcome he has a huge personal interest in, and he is the one who said, "I will always have a way out of paying any money to any applicant." A blatant conflict of interest. What a great joke. He is violating one of the most important equitable principles we have in the Western world. No one is to be a judge in his own cause. His challenge is absolutely meaningless, a farce, and a con on the American people. Only the low-level, hardcore, close-minded skeptics swallowed the pernicious propaganda, hook, line, and sinker. These are the online James Randi devotees. These legions of close-minded skeptics are commonly known as pseudoskeptics, defined in Wikipedia by none other than Susan Blackmore of CSICOP, the Peak Skeptic Organization. Further, the skeptical debunker, Randi, is on record, something he not only did not deny, but tried to rationalize, by stating words to the effect, "The paranormal does not exist." So read these words very carefully. This is what the debunking James Randi told Professor Dennis Rawlings: "I will always have a way out of paying anything." That says it all. This guy from Florida has no credibility of his alleged challenge at all. His alleged challenge is totally irrelevant and absolutely misleading, designed to fool, con, and deceive the public. Further, no brilliant psychic has ever reached the final stage. And you wonder why? Gifted psychics do not accept that the skeptical debunker's challenge is genuine. James Randi's alleged $1 million offer is the greatest hoax, and the biggest joke in paranormal history. Why does not Randi do what Victor Zammit did? To formally make out a proper legal written statement on oath, subject to up to 7 years in prison, if caught lying, that James Randi does in fact have the $1 million cash he claims he has, regarding his alleged challenge. A proviso should be that any applicant will have the right to cite this very important document. By Victor Zammit, retired Supreme Court lawyer, expert in contract law. Degrees include a major in psychology, with an adjunct major, 3 years, in scientific method and statistics, from the University of New South Wales, one of the leading universities in the world in the teaching of psychology and law.